National People Party NPP spokesperson Bajop Pyngrope has clarified that he is not drawing a salary of rupees 6 lakhs per month as the chairman of the Regional Planning and Development Council for Khasi Hills region, as claimed by the Nuthrep Youth Council HYC. Talking to reporters today, Pyngrope said that he suspects there is a hidden agenda since the HYC has mentioned only his name and the former GHDC Chief Executive Member Rakesh K. Sangma, since there are many political appointees from the regional parties. According to him, the amount of rupees 6 lakhs plus which he withdrew was also spent to pay the salaries of casual employees which he had appointed, including peon, driver, office assistant and personal assistant.
I would like to clarify that it's not 6 lakhs salary that I draw per month. Even the President of India also doesn't draw 6 lakhs. It's around 5 lakhs salary. So I feel that at least the HYC should not mislead the people of the state. I am not the only political appointee as a chairman in the state. There are so many other political appointees from different regional political parties who are there. But why target only me? Maybe there is a hidden agenda behind. That is up to them. But me as a youth leader, the Honorable Chief Minister have seen my caliber, my capacity, and that is why he deemed fit to appoint me as the chairman of this particular council.